So in the Hunger Games simulator, there was a scene called arena events, and one of them involves wolves. So I decided to make one. So basically, yeah, there's like a bunch of ones they can do. This one is one of the death ones, where the one player, tries to hide on the thing on a tree breaks, and basically that person gets eaten by wolves. Or the other option, they throw the person at the wolf. Nobody will, the game wants to kill them off before they throw the wolf. So that's that cool being thrown alive. The third option, when you try to fight them, they eat you to death. Yep, that happened. That does happen. Well, there's also the yellow betray. Kai gets betrayed by a crook. He betrays it, thrown down to the wolves. That goes the situation. These are just high up there. Yep. Yeah, there's not much to do other than arena events. Okay, there is like one more option, but okay. I decided to choose a character. I'm sorry, but I had to choose him because I don't know how you do this, but you might be confused why he's just standing there. That's because when there was that, you run, and one of the options is you, and one of the things, outcomes is you fall in a hole or a pit. So this is basically the border pit. He actually ran too far and got in the pit. So he's falling to his death. Yep. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a long one, so no one time soon. Okay, so I said the base where he's like this thing, and he's like right here. Yeah, that's a long way down. Yep. So RBJ. Yeah, you died to that. Yep, those are the outcomes of this arena pack wolf attack. I didn't only have 3 of them yellow wolves, so I had to use Kakita's wolf horn as an art wolf. Sorry. Bye.